Hi everyone, my name's Cheryl Hurst. I'm independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Sydney, Australia. How are you today? Today I'm going to do some more online exclusives, and it's a beautiful bundle and it's called Encircled in Nature, and I'm going to be using this flower and You Mean So Much to Me. That's what I'm going to be using from the stamp set, and it comes as a bundle, so you get 10% off, so remember that. And look at all these beautiful dies that you get. So I'll be using these two here, this and the one in the center. So that's what I'll be using. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And also I'll be using Petal Pink. And also I'll be using Flower Zinnia DSP, and I'll be using this one down here. Aren't they gorgeous? They are absolutely, it's a feast of colour in this colour palette. You know, you've got Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, Lemon Lolly, Melon Mumbo, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pumpkin Pie and Real Red. That's absolutely gorgeous. Put it that way so you can see all the paper. It is just gorgeous. So I've already folded it. It's normal card size, but instead of having it that way, we're going to have it sideways. And before we hear this, the colours that I'll be using is, I'm only using one stamp pad, sorry, and it's Calypso Coral, and that is for the sentiment. And got the sentiment there, and I'm just going to place it right in the center. So that's done. So, oops, I'm knocking everything around here. So we've done that. Also, well, we're going to stamp. I'll only do this. This is the only one we're going to do. And we're going to stamp, excuse me, stamp this, the flowers. And we need 2 of those. I'm going to stamp those. So that can go over there. We're finished with all our stamping. And we just need, we need the Lemon Lime Twist, we need Daffodil Delight, and we need Calypso Coral and Winker Stella. I'm not going to do them all, and it's quite easy. I'm just going to use the light, and all we're going to do is where the dark bits of the flower is, just here, we're just going to colour those bits in. Just like that on the petals. That's all. You can do whatever, how much you want. That's all we're going to do for that. I'm going to get the dark Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to just colour the centre. So it's not going to take too much time. Okay. And the Lemon Lime Twist, I'll use the dark. I'm just going to use the bullet end for this one. And I'm just going to colour these in. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to do that much. That's all we're going to do. And just the Winker Stella. Just make sure you've got the Winker Stella. And I'm just going to put it in the centre. Just like that. So that's what we're going to do. And the magic of TV is that I've got them all ready done. Okay, so now we just need to get your glue or adhesive of choice. I'm going to use the green glue. Still using green glue. I change. You'll see me sometimes use the seal and sometimes I use the green glue. It's just my mood, whatever mood I'm in, or whatever I can see first. So there you are. So now we're just going to place one flower here one flower there. And with those die cuts I spoke about before, I cut them all up. So we've got them there, and we just have to arrange them now to how we want them. And I'm just going to get a couple, because I've done them in lemon lime twist, greeny apple and white. So I'm just going to put a couple. Sorry, I'm just getting them untangled and just getting them to be the right way. So there is different ways they will fall, so just getting the right ones. So this one and that, I'm just going to put them all together. You can have the white on top or bottom. I might put it down the bottom, depending on what you want, how you want to arrange it. And I'm just going to slip that under there, I think, and just make sure it fits the card. And I'm just going to do something similar. Get the 3 colours and get a white. I like the white underneath. Oops. And I'm going to stick that one to go around like that. And I'm going to do the same for the next one. I might use white there, just breaking it up a bit. I've got some more bits I need a darker one. So put that sort of around there and put that on top. And then we want the bottom one, so we want that to curve that way. We want some of those. Different colours. And I put that one sort of there as well. But 3 in each is probably enough. And just sort of sort it out how you want to do it. I think that looks pretty good. So I've got lots left over, so I can do for another card. So I think that's basically the card I want. So we'll start getting them all together. So we need our dimensionals. So I'm going to get some dimensionals. So I'm going to maybe, well, I've got these. This one. Oh, we can do it. What I'll do, I'll just put them aside and get the dimensionals. I'll just put them on the flower part so we don't muck it up too much. I'll put the 2 there, and we wanted it sort of curved around like that a bit. And I'll just get my glue dots, and I'm just going to glue dot them. Okay, and just pull them off. Without breaking them, and just arrange how you want them again. Just sort of sticking them all together. Put that one on top like that, and that's got enough stick there, so we can stick that underneath enough. Oops. Do we want it maybe stick it under a little bit more. There, like that. Do the same. Get the glue dots. And stick them under, so they're like that. You can do whatever way you want to do it, whatever makes you happy. And we're just going to do the same, put the two, just to make sure you've got plenty of room to stick the foliage. So we're going to put that one sort of there and get the glue dot going. So I know I'm out of camera. You know what I'm doing. I'm just putting the glue dot on. I'm just trying to arrange it how you would want it. And just this one now. Get them arranged. It's a pretty card with the colours, a bit of glitter. And you've got got them all stuck together, sticking to my fingers, and I'm just going to put that there, and there we have it. And that one wants to go up there a bit. I just want that not to go up there. So there you are. And I am going to be naughty. I'm going to use what I've got left over of these in the petal pink. These are from Celebration that we've just finished, and it's the opaque faceted gems, because I thought that would be pretty with the colours there. So I just thought I'll just drop a few in, probably the little ones, sort of just around. That's really just anything that you've got that will go with it is perfect. And where else? Oh, I might put another one just down here. So there you are. How cute is that? I hope you like it. That is just one of the ways to use these wonderful dies. They're gorgeous. And the stamp set is here. So it's as I said, it's a beautiful bundle. And put them all back. So there you are. So it's Encircled in Nature bundle, and you can get it in my online store now. So you just have to go there, because it's not in any catalogues or anything. It's only online. It's an online exclusive. It's a new release that came out on the 5th, and grab it while you can. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you later. And thank you for subscribing and giving me the thumbs up. I really appreciate what you do for me, and I love doing these cards for you. So see you later. Bye. See you later. Bye.